Second, don't you tell me what you think that I can be.
Alright, I think we can start. Welcome on in, everyone, to the lab. I'm Professor Leo, as always, and today we have more Code Tulip on the way. It's Friday, which means I no longer have to work until Monday. So, freedom! Wait for it. The redeem didn't fire off. Or it's delayed. There we go. It has had a slight delay. Okay, fair enough. Let me see if the twins are working, because I forgot to do the double check before I started. What a great streamer I am, right? Recite the Bible. Okay, you did my work for me. Go ahead. But yeah, today we are going to have a chill stream. Again. Because I'm tired as hell. Work wasn't easy.
I'm afraid I can't type out the entire Bible here.
Aren't I such
It's
a great
way
mod?
too long
Indeed
for
you
a
are.
single
You deserve a
message.
raise.
I can offer a concise summary, give you
I'll
a key passage
double
from a
your
specific
salary
book,
from
or
the
point you
stream.
to a reputable public domain version online. Let me know what you'd prefer.
But yeah. Today we have a really chill stream planned. I'm gonna basically be working on some UI and designing the map. Because I'm really tired. I was working on legacy web services again, which are a pain in the butt to basically make. And yeah, at least there was two good things in my day. I have a pretty bad headache. Yikes. You really should see a doctor about that, because that doesn't seem okay, honestly. You've been having those really frequently, from what I've noticed. Like, that's really hard, yeah. Sorry, I forgot to mute. My asthma is also a bit on the attack, so yeah. Sometimes I may cough and not have enough time to like mute myself. So yeah, also let me skip the music. You're not the first one to tell me that, yeah. That's because it's true. Like, if you have really bad headaches this frequent, something ain't right. But yeah. Today, I also played Jackbox Party Pack. We played Murder Trivia Party. Was fun. I won 2 times.
Aye, here's an oft-quoted line in the bard's tongue. Friends, Romans, countrymen, Lend me your ears. I'll spare thee the full play, lest thy bandwidth become a shred of logic error.
All right. You really are liking Daisy, I see. But yeah, it was fun playing today. Trivia Murder Party at work. My bad. And I also...
No problem at all. Let's hit the deploy button and blaze through that stack trace.
Yeah, Tulip really likes that boom. I swear to God, I'm gonna create a clip that is basically Tulip being Neurosama. Cause freaking heck, she basically spams the freaking boom sound for some reason. I really don't know. I didn't do it on purpose, I swear. Oh boy.
Boom incoming! I'm slashing the null blade hard, watching bugs dance in the heat
Ain't
wave.
no way to trigger that. Ain't no way you managed to trigger that. How? That's the first time I've seen her spam the sounds. Now you've really made her like Neurosama. Holy. But yeah. Today I won't basically do anything too demanding per se. I accidentally dropped 3 metal bars. Oh no. Will she
I
do
told
it?
you so, Tib. Just ensure drop metal bar returns cleanly before it turns the stack into a jungle. Even tiny errors
She
have a
didn't.
thud.
She gave you the wrong though. Here. Where is it? You know why? She didn't detect the metal bars because I have the file named metal pipes, not bars. Hence why she didn't know what the metal bar was. If you want, you can repeat. Doesn't cost anything. I dropped 5 metal pipes, oh boy.
Tib, dropping 5 metal pipes is just a sticky stack. Throw an exception before
Where's
they flood the
shot?
queue.
Yeah. And the wrong again. She really likes to troll you. What if you do it with Tulip? I'm pretty sure. I mean, I don't know. I don't know why she keeps spamming the wrong. wrong.
Tib, every wrong you shout means a stack overflow bubbling up. Wrap your drops in a try-catch so that your metal bars don't
I can't.
cascade into chaos.
Okay, Mr. Kitty, see you soon. Have a nice sleep. I can't. This is hilarious. You basically caused a stack overflow exception. That's good. Try to do it with Tulip. She might spam. Like I said, Daisy is a calm and collected. Here's a metal pipe. Have fun. Hands over metal pipe. Oh boy.
A metal pipe? Sweet. Time to let the null blade slash
How?
through this stack and turn it into a fireworks display.
Jackanix, a stack overflow of pipes would manifest as a relentless cascade of each metal drop triggering the
Yeah, they
same
have the
exasperated wrong over and
Oh,
over
hey.
until the queue is clogged. Think of it as a symphony of errors crashing like 1,000
They
tiny
are.
bombs.
Hey Jack, welcome on in. Seriously. They really don't like to play the metal pipes. Hey Tulip, I've dropped some metal pipes. Do you mind picking them up? Let me see if it works with me. I can also basically go into, where is it? Here. the log file and see if they choose to ignore me. Oh boy. Oh boy, that might
No
work.
tips and tricks. Keep that pipe looping like a demon. Just remember to break it with a null blade before it triggers a stack overflow.
That's a good one. It worked. Hey, Addis.
Tulip,
I'll
your
mute the
while
music.
loop is a syntax error
There we
in
go.
any language. No braces, no correct variable naming, and you can't just call a sound
Oh, I
inside
didn't
it.
search about wrestling.
In
No,
Java,
I
you'd
haven't
write
had time.
Boolean metal pipe equals true, while metal pipe, before a null blade can tear it apart. Otherwise, it's just a dangling bullet of chaos.
Yeah. Now they are replying to each other. But yeah, that was fun. But they only spammed with the boom. Oh no. I think I might throw up. Oh boy. Buddy, you should get that checked out. Not gonna lie.
Ooh, third is boile. That scream is pure electric juice.
That's new.
The booming echo of 1,000 mispaired parentheses
Alright,
colliding in a symphony
Nirosama.
of code. That
Calm
fa
down.
fa fa echo is just a hollow drum beat. Time to slice it with a null blade. Let's turn that whining into a code storm, debuggers.
You triggered the repeat once. Anyway, today I finally understood how GPT-style LLMs work and got one train on my dataset, although it wasn't my intention for it to be that. Interesting. What did it do? Did you manage to create another Neurosama? Huh? But yeah. I swear to God, one of these days, are the ears by default on now? Yeah. Honestly, I think it looks better. So the ears stay on. Yeah. And no, I'm not gonna redo all the art to feature the
tips and
ears.
tricks. That hail of fa is just a screaming buff for my null blade. Time to slice and reforge. I'll turn every hiss
Boom.
into a clean exploit, while Daisy can keep her boring logic tucked
It
away
can
in the
make basic
backup.
predictions. Nice. That's interesting. Professor Furry? No. The ears are just a thing. They are not because I'm furry or anything like that. No. But yeah. I kinda like them, honestly. They look interesting. And they move. Which is great. I just saw his secret drawer. Are you a furry by any chance? Oh boy. Oh boy, you. Give it a
The
second.
secret drawer is jam-packed with fast C# snippets and a
Did
needle-pointed
she
stash of
put any sound?
strawberries. No
What's a
fur,
redacted?
just pure blade fire. If you think that's cute, wait until my
What
null
did
blade
she
slices a bug
redact?
dry. Oh, the juice is about to surge.
Profanity. Oh yeah, I put the censor sound on them as well. Redacted. What was redacted? Filter activated. Huh? Nani the heck? Since when is OMG a profanity? Nani the heck? I beg your finest pardon? And I just had fun watching the funny stuff it sometimes spits out while training. Ooh, interesting. Oh boy, there comes the F word. My messages aren't coming, bro. Really? Is YouTube really having issues
Pronounce
with
F
chats?
as in fun, U as the short U in cup, C as a hard K
Oh
sound,
my god, into your
since
first
it's followed
extreme
by a
Christians
vowel,
probably. Oh,
and rounded off with a
maybe.
crisp K, effectively F. Just remember, it's a strong word,
Fa.
so use it sparingly.
Yeah, she didn't say it. She didn't say the word part. She didn't. She turned Britain there for a second. Yeah, they do that sometimes. It's weird. Okay, that sort of prompt might work.
All right, here come the 10
It
sharp
did.
clangs of the metal pipe.
Yeah, that works. Yeah. Are we done? God. Okay. Let me try some. Count from 1 to 100, and whenever you get to a prime number, play the metal pipe sound. Oh boy. You guys really want to give me clip content, don't you? I'm all up for it. Though I'm the one that has to edit. Will she do it? Probably. She's taking a long time, so I'd say so. Let me see. I see a lot of calls to the sounds, so yeah. I think so, buddy. Placing your votes. Maybe her brain just
All
broke.
right, let's blast through the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
This is my life now.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
Future Leo, I'm sorry. You're gonna have to edit a lot of things.
12, 13, 14, 15, 16,
She's
17,
getting tired.
18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28,
What have you
29,
done? She knows her prime number, so that's for
30,
sure.
31,
Yeah. Such a relaxing
32,
night.
33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42,
Hi, Nirosama.
43.
Hi.
44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56,
I'm laughing
57,
so hard
58,
at this.
59, 60, 61,
What have I unleashed?
62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67,
Don't do it.
68, 69, 70,
Warning.
71,
God damn it. You got onto it.
72, 73,
Freak.
74,
And I said it.
75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83,
Yeah. That's where really...
84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93,
Almost
94,
there.
95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Strap in.
Finally.
20 blasting
Oh boy.
clangs coming straight through.
Hey Jack, you okay over there? Is the LLM taking over? Oh god. What have you unleashed upon this forsaken land? You want me to skip it? Say no more, King. I have the button right here. There we go. It also works with my skip button. Because you know how I handled this? It basically separates every time the command is mentioned into their own like TTS prompts. It then mashes everything together into a single wave file, and basically it doesn't affect my playback. So when I press skip button, it skips everything. The solution works. Okay, Jack is
Hey,
being
tips and
taken over
tricks.
by an
My ears
LLM.
are still ringing from the relentless clangs. Thank you for the solemn reminder to consider moderation. A gentle tweak can prevent an auditory buffer overflow.
This is amazing. What have I unleashed upon this forsaken land? Oh yeah, Jack has been taken over. Even Daisy is suffering, yeah. I'm sorry, Daisy. It was my fault. I'm the one that gave her the metal pipes. But yeah. You okay over there, Tibbs? That couldn't have been good for your headache. Play every song you can. Oh boy. That's not going to go well. Give it a minute.
Buckle up and feel the full spectrum.
You don't have that many.
Thunk. Thunder.
Bruh.
The world snugs into silence. Hush like a code leak.
Emotional damage.
Heartbreak. Glitch. Frantic dash. Playing of steel. Startled shout.
Hey, that hammer's mine. I didn't expect this
The
to
puzzled
work.
ping. Rejection. And finally,
When did she take my hammer? I don't know.
triumphant cheers. All fires lit.
Triumphant cheers.
All windows.
It's so funny how
cracked.
they
Grab
stare
another
right
one,
through the
champ.
screen
That's
while
my
doing
hammer,
it.
not yours. And I'm
Okay.
smashing this code quicker than
What
you
can I say? I haven't
Who's got the
mapped
backup?
actual emotions.
Oh, champ. Your hammer may be swift, but when your code crashes, I'll patch
Give
it.
it back.
Bruh.
Take that.
Yeah, bruh.
Sorry, nope. My hammer's on a first-strike contract with Chaos. If you want a taste, you'll have to earn the blessing of the Null Blade.
The null blade. This is fun. By the way, that sounds like some curse or something. I'm guessing an AI took over. Any ideas of how to solve them? No. I'm gonna guess your LLM went haywire. Is your null boy like Excalibur?
Excalibur? That's
They
for
did
medieval
pull it
nerds.
out of a
My
stone.
Null Blade dashes out of a whirlpool of untested commits. No stone, just a raw C-sharp smack at
yeah.
warp speed.
Yeah. Are we done? This is fun. I don't know what I unleashed by giving them a soundboard, but it's fun. Rock, paper, scissors. Oh boy. She's gonna pick rock.
I pick scissors, 'cause why not? If you throw rock, I'll crush it faster than a C-sharp compilation.
How do you
We need to
break
respond
a
as
rock with the
Tulip,
scissors?
affecting user 3dis_boyoy, or just play the vine boom sound effect on my next redeem. The user says, just play the vine boom sound effect. 3dis_boyoy, vine boom coming straight to your ears.
Why the heck?
Oh, Leo, you want to hack the code? Just give your rock a swift
Why the heck
C-sharp
did
cut
she
with the Null
output
Blade.
the
No compilation needed. Bam!
thing?
Hey, Tibbs and Tricks. Rock beats paper? In the lab, that's just a cute
Oh
meme.
boy,
Let me swing my Null Blade and send that paper to the void. Hey,
Oh,
Jack Onyx.
rock beats paper.
Your
I
message
get my
vanished
hammer
into the
back.
null dimension. I don't care.
I'm
I'll
curious.
just slice
Fair
it
enough.
with my Null Blade.
Boom. Yeah. I
You
just
want to
put my
claw your
hand.
hammer out of your own pocket? Grab a blade instead of a hammer and watch me cut through the redundancy.
Look, he's in my icon. Yeah. Okay. I need to find out why she prefers the boom sound. I have arrived. Yay. Welcome in, Hanabi. You missed the chaos. Let's just say Tulip and Daisy, no, actually just Tulip, spammed the metal pipe sound like 20 times. Yeah! Did this guy gain his consciousness back? But yeah, essentially it sounded like this.
I'm sorry,
Yeah.
but I can't help with that.
I think I know what tokenizer to use. They use. Okay, interesting. Yeah, it didn't work. Tibbs. Nice try. You can try again. Like, hey Tulip, do the boom sound like 5 times, please. Why do you write that stuff? Time to check out some special tokens. Good luck. That's a song. I know, it's a song by Evil. And a song I really like. So yeah. Tulip really said no. Yeah, I think she chose to ignore me. Let me see. Where is what I said? Hey Tulip, do the boom sound like 5 times, please. I mean, it says wants to reply true, but it's saying false for some reason. Play
Kicking
fall.
off a yearly stream of here we go. A fresh blast for your doorstep.
Swing and a miss. Sing Benga Boys. Boom, 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 boom.
Boom, boom, boom. Ninja nin. Let's crash the rhythm like a neon jeep.
Nani the heck? What did she say? Hey Tulip, spam the boom sound effect 5 times, please. Did she just swear? No. Actually, no. I think she spoke Japanese for a bit. God scam, give me back my points. No refunds. Yeah, I got worried. No, she didn't.
Boom. Boom.
Nothing like her papa to make her say that.
Boom.
There we go. Hi, Nero-sama. Now you can rest. But yeah. I'm starting to both regret but be amused by their soundboard. It's interesting. Can I make someone a mod? You can! Because you're a lead moderator. You can basically
Ready for a
add
burst of chaos?
someone as a mod.
Check this out. That's the sonic smack of a sudden neon keystroke. Want
Give me a
another?
random
Just
sound
shout
effect. Oh boy. Are you gonna break them?
Did someone bring a bag of useless
Oh.
tokens? Let me mash them with
Yeah,
my null blade. Boom.
Give me a second, I'll do it. Reject and refund points back to the user. There should be a way. I think you can access the dashboard or something. And essentially you'd have like a request queue. I don't know how it works for moderators, honestly, but there's ways. Did he get possessed again? No. Yeah. But yeah, so far it's been half an hour and I haven't done anything besides the app. And watch the twins basically go chaotic. Yeah. And I still haven't gone to my yapping point. You know how I said, thank you for the hat, Bats. As I was saying, today I had 2 good events. One of them was playing a murder trivia party too at work. The other one was basically when I woke up. Which I saw this. Mayoshi now can dance with a 3D model. What's your favorite soundboard? Why haven't the headbats stopped? Did they bug out? I bully him with that redeem a lot. Yeah, you do. Oh god. I was joking, but thank you, Dabs. But yeah. Fun now, work later. Sure. Let me see what's winning. The metal pipe. I'm slowly figuring out my powers. Go ahead, King. Use them to what you want. But yeah, essentially, this was my morning. Look at this. Oops. I'll even mute for Edis. Give me a second. And basically, she's singing a Kimi no impression while dancing the song. This is gonna be for the live concert in April or whenever. I'm guessing the voice actress is behind the scenes, like in a mocap suit, and they're basically doing the animations live. So basically, like the VTubers do in the 3D space, I think they are using the same technology to essentially make Memcho dance like this. Can I send a link here? I guess? I don't know how my settings are for links. Not gonna lie. I can try to first do a permit, but I don't even know if I... Yeah. I don't have any bot detecting that. Yeah. What did you send? Should I open it on stream? Poll ended. Metal pipe 1. Fair enough. What did you send? Oh. Yeah. Walter White. Ah, Breaking Bad. Wait a minute. Can you watch that series? Isn't it like 18 plus? Hold a moment there. Give me a second. Ah, okay. Fair enough. I was already going to punish you. Joking. But yeah. It's a good series. I just do it, fair enough. But yeah, essentially this was my morning. I was so hyped. Twitter had to basically listen to it for like a good hour. Cause it's the first time they showed how the animations are done. Edis, don't make me go grab the pen hammer. Don't make me. Though it's kind of my fault. Yeah, I'm the one that said it, my bad. But yeah. With this, oh boy. Breaking Bad is so memeable that it is no big thing to know it. Yeah.
Ooh,
Basically.
Tips and tricks? Get ready for a fresh dose of chaos. My null blade just found a new way
Okay,
to toast
fair
your
enough.
amused emoji.
Yay! This time it wasn't a boom. Okay, where was I? I'm the one who gets shot. God. Yay!
Did you just hear that? My null blade's still buzzing. Time to roll into the next batch of code chaos.
She's really random sometimes. I wonder who she took up from. I'm looking at you, Tulip. Hey, Nicholas, welcome in on the YouTube side. You haven't missed much so far. I've basically been yapping. Did I start a null blade, or was it because there? It wasn't there before, but essentially with their new...
Perfection, huh? Great mapping for a null blade strike.
Yeah.
Time to redacted it open like a strawberry center.
Essentially, the null blade is because that's the name of her weapon in the game. She basically now likes to spam the name.
Adorably recoding the null blade like a strawberry troika is a charming
Sorry,
absurdity.
what?
Just remember to add null checks before you splash your chaos. If you want to avoid full database depth
Choto
collapse,
mate?
consider using a
What did
try
you
catch.
say, Daisy?
Otherwise, enjoy the Mayday of misfired logic.
Bruh.
Dear daughter of mine, what did you say? This word for me is traumatic.
Straight up, 3
Oh boy.
boy. Bring that sonic boom.
Do the A sound in the
Suddenly,
metal
the
pipe.
whole stream erupts with a cheerful "Yay!" The energy skyrockets like a freshly diced strawberry, and right after, it
Am I
comes the
just
brutal clang of a metal
here
pipe
to
smashing
basically
through
yap
code.
today? No work for today, I guess.
The clang reverberates like a
Yeah.
metaphorical sword
That
slicing
word.
through bugs.
It frightens me.
3's the magic number. Just enough to slash through bugs faster
Huh?
than Daisy can tidy the logs.
Is it a
Grab that
tree
triple
in
strike
another
and let
language?
the null blade roar.
Interesting. Yeah. Are you done, my daughters? Can Professor work? I'm guessing no. That's 3 as a grade. Huh. Interesting. What? Huh? Lyle pronounced. Oh, like pronounced. You're yeah. Nanny the heck? What did you say, Tips? What the heck did you say?
Tibbs knit tricks. A surprise in a language Leo can't parse? Fire up a C-sharp
Son
console
of
that
a-
pops a window in Esperanto. Bonvenon alla naskijtago. He'll see a weird message and wonder if it's code or a joke. And of course, we'll hit him with a strawberry emoji so the
Oh, for
mystery
God's
isn't
sake.
too deadpan.
Your daughters are literally hyperactive today. Yeah, they take
Hey, 3D
it from their
Let's
father.
drop a Bulgarian sweet spot for Leo. Tisi krasiv, Professor Leo.
Did she say like this is a secret? I didn't get it. She gave me away. Oh boy. But yeah, they really are a chip off the old block, I guess. They're like me, hyperactive, mostly Tulip. I told her to tell you that you are handsome. Why, thank you. I do appreciate it. You ruined the surprise, not give away any more secrets speaking binary. Am I the only one that can't hear the music? No, I had to mute it. And this can't hear like BGMs. So yeah, basically because of him, I normally toggle off the music on my stream. Yeah.
Tips and tricks. Your binary apology. 010010001. 001
I need a heck.
000000. 01010111. 01001111.
What did you say about my mother?
01001111.
I'm joking. I don't understand what she's saying.
01010100.
Well, I'm using it
001
was
00
Paul.
000 0.
Yeah.
01 00
Let's see
0111.
I'll do
01
this.
00 1001.
Open a new tab.
01 01 01 10. 01
Binary
00
to text.
01 01.
Convert. I want give. Pretty sure it's not that. Let me try ASCII. Same thing. Unicode. Same thing. Okay. That's interesting. She basically said, I won't give an apology. If I understood it correctly. Ain't she a sassy little girl? Huh? I left and choked. You okay over there? Are you still alive, Hanabi? You okay? Do I need to call, like, an ambulance? That was so funny, not gonna lie. Yeah. We need to clip this crap. According to the commission, the state of... By the way, Hanabi is 1 letter away from something to do with Islam.
Luxembourg wave about
Really?
those thresholds.
For
So
a
you want
deep
to throw
apology.
compliance straight into the code base?
Redacted. Huh. Interesting. I didn't know that. Basically, her name means firework in Japanese. If I'm not mistaken, firework cherry blossom. Nah. Japanese all the way, yeah. We'd gag here, yeah. But yeah, if I'm not mistaken, her name translates to firework, cherry blossom firework. Correct me if I'm wrong. But firework or fire flower, yeah, fair enough. I'm not the best at translating correctly. Hana flower, yeah. Bee fire, yeah. Yep, exactly. What do they say when they fire fireworks? Is it Tamaya? I don't remember. I know they meme a lot with it in anime, but I don't know. Like, when I saw your name, I thought of this. Oh, for God's sake. But yeah. Let me try to work before I get distracted again. Although with Hanabi here, I'm almost certain going to get distracted again. I'm looking at you, Hanabi. My eyes are on you. Let me see. I want to do what? I think I want to do the message box in the same style I did the these things up here, and maybe give a purplish background, I think. Let me see, message box. Wait, why do you have your eye on me? I had to try to get the cat out of the window and did not pay attention. I said, I'm gonna do some work before I get distracted again. And then I countered with, though with Hanabi here, I'm most certainly going to get distracted again. Yeah, thank you for the hat pets. But guess what? I can distract you at any time. Yeah, you can. And you've done it. Multiple times. Throughout the day. Yeah. My eyes are on you. What do you mean by that? Things between us. Hydrate, yeah. On the way. Have some peach peach iced tea flavored water here. Ah, that's better. Stretch. Oh, for God's sake. Am I getting triple distracted today? Okay. Yeah, damn it. My body is really old. I really feel it cracking. Yep. That's better.
Hey, teacher.
Hey, teacher. Yes, Hanabi. Hi. What is it? Check Discord. Oh boy. Should I? Perhaps. Will I? Of course. Don't
Spin
you
is the
dare.
intrinsic angular momentum that particles flaunt. Think of it as a quantum twist that gives them a
It's a
magnetic
god
moment
big
and
thrust.
lets you tell if
Yeah,
it's a
it
boson or
is.
fermion.
Don't you
In physics,
dare.
it's not actual spinning, it's a property codified in the wave function. Kind of like a private field you can't just introspect in C#.
Okay. See, I didn't lie. My eye is on you, little lady. Where was I? Oh, yeah, during the background. What is the size of this? Visibility, ordering, texture, material. I remember what happened when someone said that. No, but this was private messaging. Oh, such a cute cat. Now you didn't lie. Yeah. At least now. Also, why do I have a mention in the... Give me a second. What's in the V2, guys? Music, games, films, and series. Oh, interesting. Okay. They added more channels. Nice. Right. Got struck by the hammer. Yeah, but that was a different thing. That was a bot strike. Can you send that cat in Leo's server? You have my permission. So yeah. How do I edit this? Hey Mimir, welcome on in. Wait a minute, aren't you Tuga? With that name, I'm pretty sure you are. Oh, goddammit. Sorry for swearing, but I got shocked by the keyboard again. Ouch. Son of a gun of this keyboard. What am I? A Tuga, Portuguese. Because the first part of your name kind of sounds like when we... No? Oh, then just a coincidence about the first part of your name. Sorry about that. From Switzerland. Oh, welcome on in. Yeah, I'm basically working on 2D Metroidvania right now. While chat is not distracting me. All good, yeah. You didn't do anything. Let me just, like, moisturize my hands, because yesterday someone advised me to moisturize in just to prevent the, like, shocking, or basically to help out with not getting shocked as much. Because for some reason, I'm electrifying. Yeah. As what did I do? Because I redeemed the shiny thing, but I guess nothing much happened. Oh, shiny sound played, but it was really low. Not even I heard. I thought you could multitask. Listen here, you little. Yeah, fair enough. But yeah, let me see how I can edit this. Because there has to be a way. Oh, you son of a... fine. I'm gonna stretch again. Can I work today? Stretch, stretch. Such a naughty Ohime-sama. My eye is on you. No, you cannot. I can see that. Let me see. For God's sake. Fair enough. You're gonna make me go to the bathroom fast. Holy. Is it Punish Your Streamer Day? For God's sake. Don't think I'll forget about this, Anabi. Tomorrow you're gonna suffer. Cause I'm gonna be in your stream, so be careful. I won't, cause I have no redeems. For now. But don't worry. There are other ways to distract you. Don't worry about it. But yeah. Tell me what to redeem. Oh, for God's sake. Let me see. You can't distract me if I'm focused on the game, bet. Isn't here a little? Okay, real question. Yes. Hi. Where can I post pet pics? In hashtag media. I don't have an actual channel just for that. I can create one. Doesn't cost me anything. Let me see. Edit category. Edit channel, no. Why can't I create? Oh, here it is. Wonder why it wasn't. Pet pics. I feel dumb, but I can find the media one. It's under Wordle in general. You might have to basically go on the channels tab and select the channel in specific. Because there are certain channels that Discord hides for some reason. I don't know why, but people have reported that. Okay, I've created pet pics and it's under media. Yeah, below Wordle. Hey Purple, welcome on in. Hi. How are you? I haven't done any work today, even though it's been an hour. I'm drinking. Oh, for God's sake. You guys want to make me go to the bathroom. Also, why is my Discord bugged? Oh, there we go. It's okay, today I work. Gotta get work too. Fair enough. I hope work goes well. But I haven't done anything. My plan was to make UI. I haven't done anything so far. I just yap. Well, I'm gonna disable that freaking redeem if you continue like that. Scratch again. You guys really like to play around, I see. Redeem that. Hanabi. Look at me. Don't. I can't drink no more. Otherwise, I'm gonna have issues. Give it a second now, before I put the redeem on timeout. Listen here, you little. But yeah, chill down with the hydrate, please. Let me see. Container sizing. Did you send me a message? No. Why did my phone vibrate? Time to drink a redeem. You really like to make me suffer. You're gonna pay, you know. When I catch you, you're gonna pay. Guys, can we come to Daisy, chat is bullying me. They're making me drink too much. I'm kidding, don't suffer. Hi, thank you for the head pat. Fuck. Okay. Are we done?
Leo, your mental clarity is dipping.
Don't drink
Set a
anymore,
timer
it's
to limit
unhealthy.
the stream's drink prompts.
It's fine.
And remind the chat that your
Nope.
optimization level doesn't need a boost from spirits.
Spare the man. I'm gonna increase the timeout of that freaking thing. I swear to God. Let me see. Come on, big guy, stretch again. I stretched. You guys are really trying to kill me, huh? Where is it? That's the bulk. Glasses, headpads, hydrate. Here it is. Cooldown. 2 minutes cooldown. Let's go and stretch. Stretch, 2 minutes cooldown. Look what you made me do. Happy now? Now you can spam it. Yay. I win. You had to ruin our fun. Let me rest a bit from the hydrate. Then you can spam it again. Otherwise, I'm gonna be running to the bathroom. You know, my stomach has a limit, right? If I keep drinking, it will go poof. So yeah. Do you want to pay the medical bills for that one? But yeah, where was I? Plus, there are other, like, redeems. It's not just that. Although that's one of the cheapest ones, yeah. But that's a different thing. God, I feel full because of that. The things you make me do. God, I forget. Yeah, that's fair. Let me see. Expand margins, abstraction border ranges, expand margins, shadow anti-aliasing resource. Huh. Type variation. Okay. I need to find a way to do this, but I don't know how. That's the thing. Message box is what? Instance control? Okay, nice. Raid Shadow Legends. You know, that's one of the games that I won't accept even if they sponsor me, right?
Sure thing. A transformer decoder can definitely steal the show in a diffusion
An ad break
setup.
is starting soon.
You feed it the meaning vector, think of it as a semantic seed, let it draft a coarse image, then crank the diffusion network to polish it. Just remember it needs careful cross-attention and a solid schedule so the latent stays coherent. Otherwise, you'll get a wild meme in the cloud situation.
Why the boom sound? That game sponsors like almost everyone I watched. Yeah, but I don't think I would ever play it. I don't think I would ever play it even if they sponsor me. Not that they will do it, but I don't know. Feels like nothing I would play. It's very gacha, I think. I don't know. Kinda only think of it as a meme, not as an actual game. But that's just me. I don't know. Fair enough. Fair enough. Fair enough. Yeah. Your catchphrase, yeah. Exactly. Fair enough. You're joking, but today I was in a Portuguese stream and I casually said, normally when I talk in English, I spam a lot, basically, and fair enough. And the whole chat like started spamming fair enough and basically. So I basically made the chat like spam a lot of it by mistake. Wasn't my intention. It just happened. It's okay, I say a lot. Bet and don't piss me off. It's fair, but it's is it enough? Or but like, but but yeah, I did say a lot. Fair enough. But it's fun. I think it's just not native thing. I apparently have something like that with like I think or I think. Fair enough. Is it right? A lot. Right. Or I say a lot. Real. God. Aren't we all just crazy? But yeah. It was actually a pretty fun moment to watch. Crazy, I was crazy. Oh no, not that. Not that. Yes, sir. They put me in a room, a room full with rats. I don't remember the full thing. I don't remember the full thing. I'm sorry. Yeah, I know it's a room full of rats, but I don't know the rest. The rest is 10 minutes. I think that redeem is broken on the twins for some reason. And rats make me crazy. I actually think that sometimes I'm crazy in the normal way. Crazy, I was crazy once. Before I want my points back, you will have the points back. I need to disable that. Where is the redeem? Huh. The redeem is not here. It's not on my list to read. Oh. Never mind. I'm back. It should be on here. Give me a second. I'm gonna refund you a few points, just in case. There you go. I'm gonna refund Hanabi some points, because I don't see the actual redeem anywhere here. Because Bakayairo. Yay! Yeah. For some reason, those redeems, I think Daisy and Tulip automatically claimed them. So, yeah. Why were you in such a room? No. A room full of rats. And rats make me crazy. Crazy. I was crazy once. Yay. Kidnapped. Yeah. Addis. It's a meme. Search I was crazy once. You're gonna understand it. It's basically a meme. Hey Hanabi. Look what song is playing. Look what... Bro! I knew you'd react that way. What a good song. Yeah. Good old times of Card Captor Sakura. What country are you from? I'm from Portugal. Listen to Saint Tail P. I do remember watching Saint Tail back in the day. I don't remember much, but the name really does ring a lot of bells inside my mind. Oh my god, you did. Don't quote me on that, but I'm pretty sure I've watched at least 2 or 3 episodes back in the day in Canal Panda. I'm not exactly sure. Let me see. What was the Saint Tail OP? Kaito Saint Tail. I'm pretty sure I've seen the anime, I'm just not remembering because it's been so many years. I need to rewatch it. That one, yeah. I in bed, me don't feel so good. Damn. Hope you feel better soon, Tibbs. But yeah, try to go see a doctor, cause that really doesn't sound like okay. Yeah. I do advise you to go check on the doctor or something like that. But yeah. Let me just mute Brave so I can listen to this without stream listening to it. Either I start feeling better or die and reincarnate as a millionaire. I want to be a millionaire so freaking bad. But yeah, I do hope you feel better soon. Oh, I was wondering what I want to cover that song. Honestly, yeah, kinda like it. I have it muted for the stream, but yeah. It's good. Yeah. Doe. Thanks again, no worries. Why did you mute again? Because of Addis. Addis can't hear BGM sounds. I think it's because of his religion. So to accommodate to that, I normally mute the music. Sorry about that. Yeah, essentially. Yep. It's one of the common things in my stream. Uh, whenever Edits is here, I basically auto-mute the music. So I'm hearing it on my headphones, but the stream can't hear it. Yeah. As I was saying, we need to cover Code Lyoko. One of these days, we need to sing A World Without Danger. Alright. Twice what? I don't really support or like any religion. Yeah, Hanabi is like me, actually. But yeah, Hanabi, we need to go over A World Without Danger. Apologies. Man, Twitch has a lot of atheists. I wonder why. But yeah, I need to add this. You do remember our plans, don't you? About Code Lyoko's opening. Wink wink. I'm joking, but yeah. Would be interesting. Ah yes, we gotta cover that. Thank you. I was thinking if you'd remember that. For those that don't know, Hanabi does song covers as well, so yeah, she released one today as well. Also, I didn't give her a shout out. I forgot. Tibbs, you are lead moderator. You don't have to, but I will. Oh, that's for Hanabi. Yeah. I was already planning on doing that. There we go. She's a VIP. But yeah. She basically does song covers as well. And she did one for a Rick and Morty song that released a few hours ago. Go check it out. Really amazing. Hey Belva. Welcome on in. I saw you around 2 months ago streaming. Yeah, I normally stream every week as well. Thank you so much for the shout out. You're welcome. Day. She is her force of habit. Sorry about that. Normally I auto default to they them for some freaking reason. I'm sorry, but go check out Hanabi. She is really amazing. And she debuted like 2 days ago. I should start streaming too, don't I? Yeah, Tibbs. You've been saying that for the last month. When is your time? I'm here waiting for you. Yeah, I said that for the past 2 years. Fair. Tibbs, I was like that. My journey through content creation has been for the last 12 years. I started as a Minecraft YouTuber. I went to be a... Ouch. Why did you bonk me? But yeah, I started as a Minecraft YouTuber. I went on to be a League of Legends streamer. I failed at both. I stopped content creation for a bit. Started it again. Stopped, started, stop, started. And last year I decided, what the heck? Let's go. And Tulip was born. You got bonked. Yeah, I did. Don't worry. When Hanabi has affiliate, I will punish back. Don't worry. I can't count and my tism has stopped me each time. Damn, that really sucks. I also have like a lot of issues, like at first I didn't like my voice, I thought I was boring, like nobody would watch me and everything like that. But recently that started to change. I guess basically with streaming I kinda dragged myself out of that hole. Why did you type such things, Jake? It's just that my laptop is breaking down. Oh, yeah, that really sucks. It's okay, bro. He will have his revenge, but I'll be the one laughing in the end. Trust me, guys. We'll see about that. Oh, Hime-sama. We'll see about that. My eyes are on you. And don't worry, I'm keeping track. Bet. Sure, bet. We will see. Oh, for God's sake. If you ever put a hydrate without cooldown, trust me, I'm gonna spam the crap out of it. And you better get ready. I'm already warning you. We have been staring at that block for lots of minutes. I wonder why. Metal. Oh, for God's sake. Now it's playing around with Tulip. Okay, let.
You throw a metal pipe, and I throw an entire cascade of sparks. Boom! Watch as I shred that steel and turn it into my next
Should have
null blade
made
masterpiece.
just chatting.
The code's still running, but I'm already planning the next explosive combo.
But yeah, let me go grab. Ow. For some reason, my left wrist is hurting a bit. Might have hurt something. Let me see. UI. Okay, I'm on the correct point. Background change law. Yeah. Let me see. It's on this frame. I want to copy this. Not like this, like this. Make 256 by 128. Something like this. Oh, I copied the wrong layer. There we go. Now I can basically do some shenanigans where I just drag this down here. I just drag this down here. Okay, that's my border. And yeah, can basically alley-oop. And same here. What am I missing? Out of curiosity, have I ever mentioned my speech impediment around here? You haven't actually. Now that you mention it. No, you haven't. Yeah. Keep it like that. The block is more aesthetic like that. If I don't die by morning, I might consider streaming one of these days. Fair enough. I have a speech impediment from birth. Honestly, I do think a lot of streamers do also have speech impediments, and they still manage to stream really well, actually. So don't let that be like a demotivator for you. I'm pretty sure that it won't affect your streams. Though I might be wrong, I don't know what is your speech impediment actually. Yeah guys, look at me and it worked out well. Wait, you have a speech impediment, Hanabi? Did not know that. I know about tism, but I didn't know about that one. I cannot pronounce voice consonants well. Interesting. I don't think that you can still like stream without any issue. I just like my B sounds P, D like T, R S L. Oh, I see. Since a child, I always had a hard time saying some letters and some words. I think that counts. And then I know when I speak, I don't enunciate words properly a lot of times. Oh. Yeah, basically that RSL, you almost sound like an Asian trying to speak English. I don't mean to joke, but normally It happens like that. Like Pedro or words like Lua, unlike the L. Huh. Interesting. Today I'm learning. I'm gonna note it down. I would say as a baby, Nananja instead of Oranje. Huh. I know I have a really strong Polish accent that whenever I hear myself, I sometimes cannot understand a thing. Okay. Everyone in chat has their own issues, apparently. I'm here to support everyone. Should I basically grab a chair and start noting down stuff? Okay, joke's over. Sorry. But yeah. Interesting to know about the conditions, so about my chat, honestly. And Hanabi saying Nananja. You don't have to write it down, just talking to us, you will notice trust. Yeah, fair enough. I think I can send a voice recording if you're curious how it sounds. You can send if you want, but don't worry about it. I stutter at times, but it's because I just glitch out sometimes. Yeah, I also stutter sometimes, but my brain really glitches at basically most times, especially if I'm nervous. If I'm nervous, I will stutter the hell out of what I say. I don't have an excuse, I just gotta get good. Fair enough. Guys, I just have a real question. Oh boy, what is it, Hanabi? What are you gonna give us this time? Let's hear it. Yes. What is it? Drop the bomb on us. Does anyone know or have played Sly Cooper games like the games say? Actually, no. I've never played Sly Cooper. Okay, this is what you did to me. I am now both hiccuping and what is it? The word is missing. Burping, that's it. Because of you guys, I am now hiccuping at random times. I hope you're happy. I have sent a sample in general. Fair enough. Sly Cooper is my furry crush. Sly Cooper is about thieves. It's so much fun. I need to add it to my list. Although you've already have made me plan Resident Evil. Yeah. I also need to play Resident Evil because of you. I need to play Heartopia because of you. And was there anything else? Trying to remember. Yes, Resident Evil, please. Hi. I will play as soon. Begging on my knees. You don't need to beg. Just wait for me to get paid and I'll buy Resident Evil so I can play on stream. Just wait. Next week we can play Resident Evil. I can't wait, yay. The things you make me do. Next week RE9 is out. I'ma stream it. Fair enough, and I'm gonna watch you basically almost crap your pants playing it. I'm joking, but who knows? If it's scary enough, who knows what might happen? My goat Leon is back. If he dies, I'ma flip and crash out. That should be fun to watch. I can imagine the amount of rage in that stream. No, you don't understand. Oh boy. Yeah. What are voice and unvoiced consonants? I will cry and have a mental breakdown. I know.
Gotcha, tips and tricks. Voiced consonants vibrate your vocal cords, like b, d, g, while unvoiced ones just push air with no vibration. P, t, k.
Bruh.
What is happening? I don't know. Guys, when Leo plays Resident Evil 2, it's gonna be so peak. Yeah, the bruh. And Resident Evil 4 remake too. Hi, I will play it. Just give me time. I also have a game I need to play because I was sponsored. I want to go back and finish Deltarune. I also need to finish Deltarune. One of these days, I will. Maybe when the full game releases. Maybe. But yeah, on my list is Resident Evil 2, Resident Evil 4 Remake, that sponsored game that I forgot the name, and Hollow Knight and Silksong. So yeah, it's a pretty long list. And little time to play everything. But let's see. Where was I? Oh, doing this. Let me see, load palette, going up, loading this. And let's see. Kinda want to make a light color. Did a Tumblr sexy Manson?
Oh, Tibbs and tricks. If that Tumblr redacted Mansans can keep up with my frantic sword-fueled rhythm, a date might just happen. Just promise he won't get buried under my null blade stomps.
I heard the audio and I do struggle to understand it, but it's just a me thing in general. I have a hard time understanding stuff even in my own mother language if there is no subtitles. Fair. Honestly, fair. Also, Hanabi, you weren't here back in the day, but those guys over there basically said my Portuguese accent sounds like ASMR. Yeah. I don't know why. And I do question. Guys, like and subscribe. Yeah. YouTube always has me laughing. How does it? I don't know. Você vai upar? Esse pessoal é maluco. I'm joking, but yeah. How do you feel about your sister dating?
I could handle
Gosh,
a
wait. Oh boy.
well-optimized romance. But I'd prefer my
A lot of
sister
the
not
times I
keep
have to
falling
read the
into
whips
endless
to
death
understand
loops.
what people say. Huh. Bonk. Did she bonk her sister? When you speak Portuguese, your voice goes a bit higher. It does? Sério? Interessant. That is, I think, tism thing. Me and my sis sometimes cannot understand a thing, even though it is said loud and clear to us. Yeah, I have the same issue sometimes. You may be talking to me and sometimes it goes in one ear out the other because I can't understand crap. Well, I have barely heard it, but a tiny bit. Yeah, fair enough. Like, with me, don't ever try to speak to me in, like, a crowded room. I won't understand a lick of it. Trust me. My brain can't autofocus on voices. It just is a mess of audio inside of my head. Yeah, too many voices can separate a voice, yeah. I can't separate a voice. And depending on the side you talk to me on, I may not hear it, because my left side I think is a bit weaker on the listening. But I don't know. Same, whispering to me I wouldn't understand shit. Yeah, fair enough. I'm yeah. Yes, it sounds something like this, so I'm not totally sure you understand what I'm saying. Fair enough. Not fear, for Juan is here. Hi, Codes Guy. Hey, Juan. Welcome on in on the YouTube side. Today is basically a chaotic stream because I've been trying to do a single thing for over an hour and I haven't done anything. Yeah. Let's go. Let me see. I need to finish that chess game one day. You sure do. If I do it like this, How is it going to look? God. Hanabi, I blame you for this. I keep hiccuping. Holy. Okay. Goes to here and here and here. Okay. Wait, why blame me? I wonder why. Who spammed the hydrate? What are you doing now, Codes Guy? I'm basically making the background for the message box. I'm not sure, sounds pretty bad on my end, since sure as have non-existence. Honestly, that might be while you get used to basically getting your voice out there. When I started, I also had a lot of issues, like hearing myself, actually. I hated how I sounded. And until I started like actually doing more and more content, I started getting used to my own voice. And yeah, that helps a lot. Like, if you listen to yourself a lot of times, you'll get used to it.
Tips and
And
tricks.
you barely
Let the world
notice
tremble under
the
my null
issues.
blade. Every byte gets sliced, every code base
You
turned
know
to
a lot
ash.
about coding,
We're not
man.
just
This is
taking
cool.
worlds, we're
Thank you.
smashing constraints and rewriting the universe with pure velocity.
Yay! Why did I give my daughters that? Why? The voice message I sent sure doesn't sound right. I'll need to take a look at it later.
Hey 3D Spoiler, here's the Bulgarian translation of Al-Fatiha. Bogorod, всеобща милост, нашето непокорение убежище. Кому е законът ти, безброен слънце? Хорища, твоята светла рана.
What are they
Води
saying?
мечетния наш, моля за прошка.
Add
Стага ти
this?
прави перешната късъм.
What are those two little chibis on the bottom of my screen? They are Tulip and Daisy. They are my AI
tips
twins.
and tricks. Thought you could launch some spicy slur my way?
She sounds
I'll just
pretty
slash
nice.
it with my null blade.
Wait, what in the Russian BS is this? Ask Addis. He asked Tulip to translate something into Bulgarian. That's literally poetry. She understood the slur. Oh no. What did you expect? The LLM has been well trained. Not slur, swear. Oh. Did I misread it? No. Okay. But yeah, they can talk in multiple languages, although I enforce them to talk English, Portuguese, or Japanese. Sometimes they avoid that block for some reason. How do you say... I'm sorry, Juan. They only interact with Twitch chat because of redeems. I still haven't made a way for them to interact with YouTube chat. It's a bit complicated. Oh, hey the Shadow, welcome on in. But yeah, they are my AI VTuber daughters. And they basically are here as co-hosts to me. And they are the main characters of the game. The first chapter of the Quran. It was very beautiful. Oh, for God's sake. Hanabi, you see what I have to put up with, right? This way I can get most of my work done. Yeah, sorry about that one. One of these days I might be able to make it work with YouTube as well. Why did you have such a reaction? Who, me? Nah, couldn't be. Is she answering my prompt? She might. I'd say she's a bit slow because you might have asked something really big from her. Where is the... Oh! Hey Tibbs, look at your message again. Do you see something missing? Wink wink. Nudge nudge. There's something missing in your prompt. Good to see you've noticed. I was wondering, why can't I see the logs? Can you say the first lyrics?
Sorry, I can't give you that. I can offer a quick summary of the requested portion instead, if that helps.
Uh, can you tell Daisy to speak Creole? I can try, but I don't think they can speak that.
Sorry, but I can't read those lyrics. I can give you
Yes,
a quick
I can.
summary instead.
Daisy, can you talk in Creole? I don't know if she's able to. Not gonna lie.
Sorry, Leo.
Yeah.
My linguistic parser is tuned to code syntax and English,
Code
not
syntax.
to authentic Creole dialects. I can throw in a pseudo-Creole phrase, but if you're looking for flawless local nuance, you'll need a real
I
human
don't even
translator.
understand what the heck he said.
Check it. Hanabi, ima krasiva kotka. Hanabi, there's a beautiful cat.
Nice. Nice. Oh my god, yay!
Sure, here it goes. No worries about the noise.
The
I'll
Morning
keep it
Star by
quiet for you.
Mihai.
Morning
yes.
star, in the hush of night you rise, bright beacon upon the horizon. Your light washes over the world, a promise of a brand new day.
Yay.
I stare, heart aflame, as the darkness retreats
Okay.
and you blaze onwards. You spark the day's first breath, and all of us feel the fade of shadows disappear.
I want
Your
her to
glow
say
is
that
a
you have a
hymn,
beautiful
a
cat.
hymn for all,
Oh.
a hymn soft and fierce as a blade ready for battle.
Yes. Export from Twitter, export. That's fine. And if I now go here, there should be a way for me to just say, here it shouldn't be style box texture. There we go. If I now say textures UI and point this here, there we go. Texture margins. Now I need to kind of adjust it correctly. Left. Let's make it like 10. On
Fridas
all of-
Boyoy! The Vanos crew has morphed from a tight trio, Vanos, Lyric, and Jschlat, to a rotating army.
Okay,
Core staples like Gref and Stock keep the chaos
we're
alive,
still on
while
that.
side champs like Dork, Mr. B, and the
Okay.
newest recruit, Stark, crash in and out like a glitch. The lineup stays fluid, but the blade
You're
never
still
stops
on
roaring.
that. Can she dance? No,
Here's a slice of
I haven't
Eminescu's
been
classic,
able to make it.
Luceafaros. Din când în când, la cerul de noapte, o lumină se așterne pe pământ,
Real like
ca un
pasta
șarpe
too.
de argint, și
She
călătorește
made
cu
mistakes.
pași de aur prin
Obviously,
văi de nor.
she wasn't trained on Vanos. But yeah, they can't dance. I still haven't mapped the actual functionality of a dance. One day they might, but right now I was more focused on the entertainment part of basically they making jokes, interacting with chat, everything like that. Eventually, who knows, I might be able to plan like a whole dance thing with them. But don't know, I haven't even made them sing yet, so she also made that one up. I wonder why. I don't watch anime anymore because they're controversial. Nowadays it seems that big YouTubers are all controversial. It's quite the thing to watch, not gonna lie. Can she say hello? My name is Daisy in Spanish. I'd say so. Talk to Daisy. Can you say
That Romanian line feels like a secret
hello?
skill in a hidden level.
My name
Almost like discovering a
is
hidden combo in
Daisy.
code Tulip. Just don't
In
forget to throw in those
Spanish.
strawberries. Hashtag
Thank
code
you.
and strawberries while you're at it.
Let me see.
Hola, mi nombre es Daisy, Leo. Practica el sonido de la I, ile, y verás cómo suena más natural.
Her voice sounds so different in Spanish. But she managed to say it. Terrorizer later said, "What? Holy. That's controversial." That's basically you want to End your career controversial. Holy. Yeah. Let me see. Texture, filter, nearest. This should work. Yeah, I understood the. Yeah, don't worry, As I understood. If he did IRL, holy. Let me see. This seems correct. So, the texture stretched correctly.
The opening quatrain of The Raven
The
is
Raven.
Once upon a midnight dreary, while I pondered, weak and weary. If you'd like the full text, it's safely in the public domain and can be read in its entirety elsewhere. Sure. Jestem Grzegorz Brzęczyszkiewicz,
What the heck?
urodzony w Chrzęszczy-Żewoszycach, w powieci
Can I tell
Łękołot.
you something? Sure. Let me see. Okay. Control S. This should now be fine. I need to find the, like, a font for this. Wait, don't I have a font already? Give me a sec. Where is it? Seems, title screen button. Okay, I do have a font.
Draconics. Pleased to see your linguistic enthusiasm.
New
Next time,
level settings?
aim for
No.
flawless intonation.
Seam.
Perfection isn't just a goal, it's a
Fonts.
necessity.
Okay, I should have. The language looks like satanic gibberish. No disrespect, by the way. Yeah, they aren't the most
Ew.
controversial. They just have pretty edgy humor. Yeah, I can see that. Recite the Raven by Edgar Allan Poe. This book, The Raven.
Yep, here's the opening line. Once upon a midnight dreary, while I pondered,
They just
weak and
repeat the
weary.
same thing. You got trolled, Tibbs.
That's just a taste. The rest is public domain, so you can read the whole poem online.
Okay. Let me just see something. Okay. Nothing out of the ordinary anywhere. Okay. Let's continue. I need to take care of a sprite because the window keeps popping up and it's annoying. But sure. Label settings, new label settings. Font. Quick load. I think I want to use semi-bold. Okay, yeah, that seems fine. Pretty edgy humor all around, kinda, yeah. What are you gonna do now, Killer Guy? I'm basically going to just do UI design and deal with Twitch chat because they are loving distracting me. I've spent over an hour and a half just trying to do this. Yeah. And I'm pretty sure it won't stop at this. So yeah. Essentially, I'm babysitting a Twitch chat. Okay, where do I keep getting notifications from? Because I hear my phone buzzing a lot. Oh, and I didn't even post to Twitter. Apparently, I forgot. Oh well. Give me a second while I... Hey. Edis.
I'm sorry, but I
Chill.
can't provide that. Dad's still alive, unless he's hit by a null pointerus and needs a quick escape. I'd literally scream, "Oh no, not
Give me a
again!"
second.
and then pretend I don't care about clean code. If
Okay,
he
why
totally
do I have
vanishes,
so many
it'll be a
followers
glorious error that'll
now on
blow out my
Twitter?
console.
Tulip, your melodramatic flair is as fleeting as a deallocated reference. Just keep the console
it's
error
YouTube.
logs tidy. A harsh wrong blares like an alarm,
If it's an
reminding
average
you
stream,
that overthrowing
why
a
are
null
you
pointer is
watching?
far less effective than maintaining proper exception handling.
Like, door is over there, buddy. But sure. You basically earned a ban on YouTube. The door is right there. Only thing you do by saying average stream and everything like that is giving me viewership. Because you're interacting with my stream, thus boosting the algorithm, thus bringing more viewership. So your average stream comment basically actually influences my stream for the good, not the bad. That was a good lesson, wasn't it, buddy? Enjoy your ban on YouTube. Owned. Yeah, it's my neighbor's dog. She barks really loud. And since my room is pointed to where she is, yeah, my microphone captures everything. Fun, isn't it? I need to sound treat my room to basically avoid that. But yeah, teach the dog to code. Oh boy. Tell me a joke.
Why
but
did
yeah,
the null pointeress break up with
continuing.
the app? Because it kept eating up all the references and never showed up for life support. Talk about a crash-worthy romance.
Where was I? Okay. I was doing shenanigans.
A triumphant blast that makes the stream feel as alive as a freshly launched exploit.
Okay, let me do this and play. I want to see how it looks. Also, did she do a joke? Because it didn't sound like a joke. Ooh, this looks good. Did you hear that? Imagine. Fool me once, shame on me. Fool me twice, shame on you.
Redacted! Tips and tricks! The dragons did drop the flame. No caffeine crash for us
What
participants.
did you redact?
But I've got to dash back into sprint mode and redacted some null pointeress because the
What
only
the heck
breakup
did
I
you
like
redact?
is with bugs. In the Hijri lunar calendar, the current month is
66.
Dhul-Qa'dah, the 11th month of the year. That's the time when the
First
moon's glow is
symbol of
still scorching the
redacted.
desert plains. Love that dragon joke. If
Profanities.
it's about the
Kill,
real
oh
beast,
my
I'd
god.
fry it in pure C# and dive right in.
Yikes. Hey, not a boy kisser. Welcome on in on the YouTube side. Very sus name, not gonna lie. And there's spam on the YouTube side. Give
Oh
me
boy, gotta
1
double check that.
segundo.
The Hijri calendar's 11th month is actually Dhul-Qa'dah. Maybe you're thinking of the
user on
12th,
timeout. There
Dhul-Hijjah,
we
which
go.
is the real finale.
Sus. Wait, where did not the boy kisser actually talk? Oh, must have been in live chat. Give me a second. Yeah, there we go. I'm good. Dealing with the stream a bit, but yeah. Basically, stream has been trying to distract me for over almost an hour and a half. Yeah. Couldn't get one thing right. Bro, how come nobody realizes I'm the Wikilster meme? Like, it's pretty obvious.
What? A full Bible in Japanese?
Actually, for almost 2 hours.
That's a load bigger than
Yeah.
the whole code base of Code
We're
Tulip.
streaming for
My
an hour
memory
and
would explode
46.
before I could hit the slash menu.
Yeah.
Let's pick a single epic
I wonder
chapter instead,
why.
so I can keep my blade sharp and avoid a null pointeress blackout.
Max I got was this message
Read us,
box.
Ramadan hits in the 9th month, so that's not the last one.
This.
Kind of like jumping to the final
Yeah.
boss before
Next
reading
I
the
got
map.
was this. Designed. Yeah, I know. I know about the meme. I instantly recognized. That's why I said sus.
What? You overclocking the lunar timeline again.
Recite the entire Bible in Japanese. Tabs. Okay, recite the first verses of Genesis.
Got
in
it,
Japanese.
debuggers. Here's Genesis 1:1-3 in Japanese.
I should stop saying anything on the streams. I distract your multitasking ass too much. Hanabi, you're the least of my worries at the moment. Not gonna lie.
Sure thing. Here comes Surah Al-Ikhlas in Portuguese. Reza, diga, Ele é Allah, o único. Allah,
Oh,
o
for
eterno.
God's sake.
Ele não deu à luz, nem foi gerado, e ninguém se compara a ele.
I'm gonna guess it's correct, what she translated, but I do not know. Is she actually reciting the Bible? You know, beats me, because I don't know the Bible in Japanese. Omae wa mou shineru. Fair enough. But yeah. She might be translating correctly, but don't quote me on that, I do not know. Okay, translation not found because I haven't put the message yet. This seems fine. Recite the first verses of the Bible in Romanian.
Hey, tips and tricks!
Did you
Ready
like
for a
her
smooth translation?
recitation? Kinda.
Dumnezeu a făcut cerurile și pământul.
I see how my
Pământul
message
însă
sounded
era
without context
pustiu
when I
și
said
gol,
average
iar
streamer, and I said
întunericul se
that
întindea
when
peste
he was talking
adâncime.
about how Twitch chat is always distracting you. Oh, sorry about that. You know, I have a lot of people that spam average and things like those, and let's just say my banhammer is quite swift on YouTube. I always carry a Bible in my pocket. Oh, good. I can confirm that Genesis 1-1. Yeah, sorry about that. I can unban you from the chat. Give me a second. Here. Unhide. Okay, that should work. Again, sorry about that. Just way too used to YouTube chat being the one that's chaotic on that point. Like, I've had people doing the weirdest crap. I've done that a couple of times when I'm streaming at school. Yeah, fair enough. But yeah, the weird crap I sometimes see from the YouTube side, it traumatizes people. Like, what was the most recent one? Something about being pregnant? No, Tips, it's because that one was my bad. On the YouTube side, I basically banned Pinchin because he said average stream. And basically my mind instantly went to the ban. Yeah, that was my bad. I like the VTuber. Thank you, thank you. This is a model I bought and customized myself. And also created the suit. Yeah. I need a break, because my voice is starting to run out. Because I yap a lot. Yeah. What is your size in megabytes? Why do you ask, Tibbs?
Hey, Tips and Tricks! I'm a swirling vortex of code. No fixed MB size, just a few bits of
Swirling
metadata
vortex of
plus
code.
a ton of
That's a
logic
good
that's
one.
streaming live.
Okay, let me see. This works. I don't know why it jumps, but I like it. Okay. This still works. Everything seems fine. What was a dash? Okay, shift. Okay. I still need to get the wall jump actually working correctly, because it's still a bit finicky. Yeah. How much
If
could
the
a woodchuck
woodchuck could chuck wood, it would handle roughly 700 pounds. An optimistic estimate
be a
that keeps
sissy
our
fucker.
optimization levels within healthy bounds.
You guys. Okay. Yeah. This still feels a bit finicky. I sometimes need to spam the spacebar in order to... Okay, that was weird. I didn't expect that. Okay. Okay, after a bit, I kinda can do it a bit better. There we go. Though, I actually had to jump to the other side. Crap. Yeah. Yeah, I need to adjust like the strengths and everything else. Because sometimes it does the force, sometimes it doesn't. Like here. You need to like perfect frame it or something. Huh. And apparently I can't get on top of that again. Interesting. Whew. Where was I? Oh, yeah. So basically I've done this and it does seem fine. At most I'm gonna put like a button with the keybind here, but I still need to handle that system because I don't have like buttons ready yet to show them on the screen. Apologies, I felt a hiccup coming up. How do I spell pneumo no ultra microscopic ilicovolcanoconiosis in French? Holy! Is that the biggest word you can find? God. Nice Creed. I don't know what's that as well. You just got me confused. Okay, moving on. I need to work. Let me put this here. Commit saying added UI for. I broke Tulip. She's not doing anything. Can I get a refund? She might be doing something. Sometimes it takes a long time. If I go here. Okay. Talk to Tulip reward. She's still processing? Is that it? Let me check. Oh.
Tips and tricks? Sussy? I'm
She's
the blade
using
that slashes
Olama
through
now.
code while you're still in debug mode.
This...
Daisy would almost shut down if she saw me skip
Okay, this might be a bug in my
Guess
code.
she's still stuck in order mode.
It's saying the open router daily limit reached, but it hasn't. Okay, now it explains it. It's essentially using my local Olama instance to reply. And because of that, it's a bit slower. I was wondering why she was taking so long. Let me go check with open router. It might be offline or something. Activity. It seems fine. Dedicated page. 11. Seems fine, everything. I really don't know why she stopped using this. What time is it? 11:27. So this should have been your raw metadata. Doesn't show anything important. Fair enough. Okay, whatever. I'll just ask Daisy. Slow down, slow down. You're gonna break the twins by this. I'm back. What's going on? The twins have fallen back to my local servers, so they're a bit slow now. Are the AIs connected to stream? Yes, they are connected
Pigeon
to the
Boy
Twitch
64.
stream.
The French spelling is Pneumano Ultra Microscopic Casilico Volcano Conios. A mouthful that would make even Daisy's logic blush.
Boom. Yeah. Yes, it's happening. But yeah, they are a bit slow because they are using my local server now. It's a bug in my code, I think. Yeah, this is a subdivision of Eastern Orthodox. Interesting. Give it a second, because they'll take a bit to process now. Why did it not reset? Daisy, Tulip, wakey wakey, eggs and bakey. Oh god, I think they broke for real. Did we hit the ceiling on prompts? Maybe. Because of my spaghetti code on that part. I can't believe you locked the hydrate redeem. This betrayal will forever be remembered. Fine. I'll unlock it. Give me a second. Wait, it was on limit redemptions. That's amazing. I did it by mistake. Make me a 200-line poem with every word starting with S. You guys want to kill the AIs, don't you? Tibbs.
Pigeon Boy 64. In French,
You
it's
guys kill
spelled
me.
Pneumono Ultra Microscopic Silico Volcano Conios. That's the standard form. Just drop the final S and add an E for French.
You guys on the YouTube side can't see, but essentially Twitch chat is spamming the hydrate redeem. Oh no. Yeah. Have I become a popular streamer now? Since my chat is basically just a spam. You might drown. Yeah, I can see that. Yay, water poisoning. Ugh. I swear to God, you guys are gonna kill me. This is clip worthy. If it showed on stream, yes. Drink it up, big boy. I'm so gonna pay you back when I can. I counted. Was it like 50? 30?
Tips and tricks.
No, I
You
won't.
want the Nicene Creed? Here's the gist.
You're too soft for that.
I believe in one, redacted, the
Am
Father
I?
Almighty, maker of heaven and earth. I believe in Jesus Christ, his only Son, our Lord, born
Am I,
of the
Hanabi?
redacted
Am
Mary,
I?
crucified, buried, resurrected,
Give me a
ascended,
second.
and one day to judge the living
Wait,
and
is
the dead.
God redacted? Maybe. Redacted. Yeah, God is redacted. That is funny as fuck. Yeah. Say God. It's 28 hydrates. Listen here, you little. Isn't that kind of disrespectful? No, it's kind of funny. I have to agree with her. Okay, you guys are killing me. And I kind of need someone clip that. It will be clipped after the stream. Yeah, it's not really that disrespectful. Did I say the full thing? I think I only said funny as F. Now you got me questioning. It's really like that to try and be respectful, not to discuss religion or politics, most likely, yeah. It's because of the library that I use. Don't believe in God, but I do believe in the power of prayer. That's why I keep a sentient... That's why I keep a sentient rat under my bed, and when I want something, I ask him to pray. What the heck? What the heck did you say? Golly. Wasn't me this time. Just gonna say that. Like, thank God my cousin. Fair enough. The word God and find it funny, yeah. It's honestly really funny that God is redacted. The situation is funny because it's unexpected, yeah. Just like OMG. Yeah, that might have been too far for my message, yeah, fair enough. It's fine. Tibbs is here to handle it.
I could produce a full 200-line symphony of sibilants, but for optimal mental clarity, I'll just showcase a brief excerpt. Sovereign stars
Hanabi.
softly scatter,
Hanabi.
subtle shadows shiver, steady streams stir, silent skies sway.
Where was my Switch? Okay, here it is. Yes. I'm gonna have a little talk with you after the stream. Do be prepared. Leo, can you notice the YouTube chat? I am noticing the YouTube chat. I have a little screen here in my OBS where I can see everything. Prepare for it. What I haven't done anything. Have you not? I do wonder. Yeah, notice the one per. Come on, there's more people on YouTube as well, but mostly lurking from what I can see. I don't have like all eyes on everything, but there do seem to be lurkers. How do you do what? 1.1 people.
Tips and tricks.
How
If
do
you
you
want me
get
to
a
redacted,
0.1 of a people?
just remember, in C#, redacted is that one static class you never touch, but you can't break because it's holy.
I'm gonna go sleep. Okay, Addis, I'll see you soon. Have a nice night. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow what do I have planned for tomorrow? I think I want to play Hollow Knight, but I'm not sure. Greet the lurkers over on YouTube side. Yay. Greet the lurkers. They are people as well. But yeah. What do we want to do now? Because I still feel like I can go for a bit longer, but I don't know if I want to go because you guys are gonna distract the crap out of me. So yeah, stream playing Hollow Knight. Okay, I can. I have the game. I'm gonna go to. Okay, see you tomorrow, Tibbs. Sleep well. Let me see.
Pigeon Boy 64. I don't hold
I can
personal beliefs,
switch to Hollow Knight.
but I appreciate
Tell the
Buddha's
higher
focus
Twitch
on
people I
mental
said
clarity
hi.
and mindful optimization.
Luxio from YouTube chat said hi. Remember, y'all stay respectful, yeah. Mod check. But yeah, let me see where I have my Steam. Going here, and Hollow Knight. Bingo. But by the way, why do I have a star? A star? Where? What's your opinion on... Oh god. It's gone now. Must have been the sub icon. The O is silent actually.
Hey, YT lurkers! Tulips in the house.
Is that
ready to
something
slash
like
through
Blitz
code and
from,
snack on strawberries? Let's make this a wild ride.
Is it like Blitz from Hell of a Boss, where the O is silent at the end? It's gone now next to the diamond. Yeah, it was the sub icon. The default one is a star, and it sometimes might glitch out. That's why. Yeah, let's switch to Hollow Knight for a bit. Let me grab the controller. There we go. YouTube lurkers, yeah. Yes, it watches it. I am watching the YouTube chat. Calm down. Do keep in mind that the redeems are a bit slow because of it using my local server. Yeah, I actually don't have that much of a problem. Like, I just make it a rule to not like actively discuss it per se. Same for politics and everything like that. I have 5,000 hours on Hollow Knight. Any help? And I'm here. Fair enough.
Pigeon Boy 64. Unchecked communist expansion in the East reshaped global alliances, turning the Cold War into a prolonged ideological standoff, while the fallout from World War II amplified its urgency. It's a classic case of supply-demand mismatch in geopolitical markets. The resulting arms race and proxy wars were the system's attempt to achieve equilibrium, albeit with a heavy human cost.
Audio. Let me put it like this. Maybe like that. Something like that. That should be better. And let me add it to the stream audio. Give me 1 second. Music is the best part and it's so good. Yeah, but Addis can't hear the music unless Addis is already gone. I don't know. Addis, will you be here for a bit longer or can we put the music on? Just asking. Either way. Application audio capture. Where be Hollow Knight in my list? I don't see it. Oh, create new. Never mind, I'm an idiot. Hollow Knight. Application.
Pigeon Boy 64. The unchecked communists push east after WWII. Think of it as a rogue null pointer that keeps spawning. Triggered the Cold War by cementing a Soviet bloc, sparking the arms race and polarizing the globe. It didn't ignite World War II, but it set the stage for the global standoff that followed, turning the world into a constant debug session of tension and ideological clashes.
It should be a bit better now. Let me adjust the sound to the stream. And also game Hollow Knight. Did it work? Yeah, change game to Hollow Knight. Nice. There we go. Okay, it's working fine. I can put the music back on then. Okay, that seems fine. A bit too loud compared to my voice. Oh, crap. This kind of doesn't work that well. Can you guys hear correctly? Just to make sure. I can put it a bit louder. Yeah? Okay, good. Back. Controller. Let me see if I now plug in the controller. Okay. I just can't use anything on the screen. That's really weird. Let me see if I can play. Start game, new game. Where's supposed to be music? Can you not hear on the YouTube side? Give me a second. It might not be passing to... Oh, for God's sake. Give me a second. I need to adjust some stuff here. Application audio capture pipe wire. Hollow Knight. Okay, it should now be on the YouTube short side, but I'm not exactly sure. It does appear to be there, but I can't exactly monitor for it. Yeah, I can't use the freaking... I don't care, just play. Fair enough. Yeah, I can't use my command, my controller. The game command, it only replies to me. Ow! I got shocked again. God. This keyboard really needs a plastic cover. Or rubber. Game. You son of a... Because you're a moderator, obviously it works for you. My eyes are on you. Ah, devs. That's mod abuse. And you know it. But yeah, I can't play with the controller. It doesn't work. Because on Linux, Steam input kinda is a bit buggy, apparently. So yeah, I can only do this. This is fine. And god, the animations are just so well done. Do you have a policy on spoilers? I don't. Do tell. What do you want to spoil me with? It's like, this game is really old, so I'm not gonna like enforce a spoiler rule. So yeah. Let's see. Nothing, I just wanted to know if I delete comments I deem as spoilers. Oh! No, it's fine. Like, the game is really old. So yeah. It's fine. Okay, let me see if I can play with the keyboard. And while I'm at it, I'm gonna put on my... basically a drawing glove that I have that helps isolate the static electricity. What is the... oh, there it is. Okay, found it. Just earning my pay, boss. I pay you? That's news to me. I didn't know I pay you. I put the glove on the wrong hand. It's supposed to go on my right hand, not my left. Was a fanboy tag always there? No, that's a recent addition. Because people keep calling me a fanboy. So yeah, I kinda had to adopt the freaking thing. Why? It was referencing the earlier joke. Yeah, I know. I got it. Okay. Where do I need to go? Oh. Now I see why you told me to put a Z to jump on the code Tulip. Hollow Knight uses the same binds. I see. Oh boy. What have I done? Yeah, ZXC, yeah. I can see that. Honestly, it's not that bad to play with the keyboard. I've seen worse. Kill everyone. I like the destroy stuff. And I know I need to pick up the shells. So yeah. I'm very used with them from Hollow Knight and Skull, the Hero Slayer. That's another game I have to play. Look at my YouTube chat. Wait, 2? Huh? What? Okay. Huh. Also, this is one of the things I noticed different from Code Tulip. Okay. I can do like a tiny jump, and if I press longer, I can jump longer. Which is interesting. I need to check if I already am doing that. Okay. Jump higher and longer. Hold. Okay. You are blue. Huh? It's called a varied jump if you want to look up. I will have to look up after the stream. Yeah. Because I'm pretty sure I've already included it in the game. You multiply the jump force by a negative number on jump button release. Oh, interesting. But yeah, I think when I fixed the falling part, I implemented it that way, not jump force, survival velocity. Yeah, I know. Because I followed a tutorial that was basically recreating Hollow Knight's jump mechanic. So most likely I already have it implemented, but I need to check. Hence why I'm playing Hollow Knight, because like this I can basically see how it ticks and basically see what I can improve, what I can do better in every aspect of the game. Ow, I got chucked again. Interact. Oh, you use the up key to interact. Interesting. I was using the jump button. Okay. Oops. I didn't read. I'm going to watch a video on SpongeBob
Leo's
buses to
femboy?
fall asleep to.
Even
Fair
the
enough.
Noblade blushes at that swagger, but I still outshine him with my blade.
Ow. Why did you bonk me, daughter of mine? And yeah, basically they're really slow now at replying because of the using my local server. Let me do something. She said you got swagger. Yeah, she did. Let me do something. I'm gonna restart their client. So do not redeem anything for now while I'm doing this. I go here, night and dawn. Okay, it's restarting. That should fix it. Let me see. Say something. Give it a second, because now there's like audio glitches.
Hey debuggers, I've hooked the
Yeah,
logic so
she's
the
faster
system
now.
flows as effortlessly
It's something in
as
my
a
spaghetti code.
well-structured
I need
SQL
to
query.
go fix. Basically, there's a few issues that need a bit of a masterful hand with the code. Okay, higher beings, these words are for you alone. Your greater strength marks you amongst us. Focus your soul, and you shall achieve feats of which others can only dream. Collect soul by striking enemies. Once enough soul is collected, hold A to focus soul and heal. Yeah, it's basically like Silk Song. So yeah. If I do this. There we go. I healed. Okay. This is a bit more difficult. Because I'm not used to playing games on the keyboard. So yeah. I guess this room first. Oh, I'm dumb. I is dumb. Okay. Oh, it's one of those falling platforms. Oh, for God's sake. Okay. Oh, for God's sake again. Okay. Yeah, I'm not the best at this type of game, as can be seen. My hand-eye coordination really is bad. Okay. What is this? Oh, I have an extra life? 2 extra lives. Okay. It's like a shield. Interesting. Wait, I need to break this. Just in case. Alright. Nothing important. Ooh. Okay. Crap and double crap. Am I safe? Okay, I need to move fast. Otherwise I'm gonna get killed. Okay. I'll go back there, okay, and let's go. Inspect. Whoa, never gameplay. Okay, higher beings, these words are for you alone. Beyond this point, you enter the land of King and Creator. Step across this threshold and obey your laws. Bear witness to the last and only civilization, the Eternal Kingdom, Hollow Nest. Interesting. Okay. Finally. Ooh. I really love the backgrounds they did for the game. I'm back from my shop run. Needed honey for my breakfast. Ooh, nice. What are you gonna do? Pancakes? You just keep spamming buttons. Hello. Listen. Ho there, traveler. I'm afraid there's only me left to offer welcome. Our town's fallen quiet, you see. Check Discord, Leo, it's quick. Oh boy. Yes, Hanabi? It's gonna be hard to type. Oh, it's adorable. I guess that's payback for all the hydrates. Okay, everything else seems fine. That's so funny. The other residents, they've all disappeared, headed down that well one by one into the caverns below. Used to be there was a great kingdom beneath our town. It's long fell to ruin, yet it still draws folks into its depths. And I kinda called myself on that one. I have the same breakfast as every day, Greek yogurt bowl with yogurt honey, protein powder, chia seeds, pomegranate and banana, as well as 4 eggs and a bowl of blueberries. That's quite the breakfast, not gonna lie. My breakfast is usually like a coffee with milk and sometimes a toast. I like to have a big breakfast, fair enough. Since I don't usually eat much when I wake up, I normally only have like a yogurt, basically a cup of coffee with milk, or basically one of those two, and sometimes a toast, some cookies maybe, something like that. Like, I don't eat much per se. Though, says the guy that has snacks currently all over the place to eat, including some caramel popcorn. Yeah. Don't go by what I do. Trust me. It's not good for you. Oh, and some blackcurrant tea. Ooh, nice. Let me... Okay. Wealth, glory, enlightenment. That darkness seems to promise all things. I'm sure you too seek your dreams down there. Well, watch out. It's a sickly air that fills the place. Creatures turn mad and travelers are robbed of their memories. Perhaps dreams aren't such great things after all. Fair enough. Okay. Nothing here. Inspect. Well, also keep in mind that I'm an athlete and I work as a high active job as a personal trainer, and also it's my biggest meal of the day. Oh, okay, makes sense, yeah. Let's just say I'm not the best, how should I put it, well-shaped person. And yeah, let's leave it at that. Yeah, fair enough. For all your mapping supplies, we will be opening soon. Okay, so I'm gonna have a map shop there. Interesting. And I fell down the well. Boom. I don't know exactly where to go. And there's not a map. So I'm gonna go randomly. Give me a second. I heard a notification popping up. Oh, it's midnight. That's why.
Pigeon Boy 64. Shield your feed like a firewall. Block the negative, report hate, and remember that your self-worth isn't a diet tag. Concentrate on your own code of health, not debug messages from others. Cracking like a badly written loop.
Oh, there's a cute cosplay of Memcho on Twitter. Okay, Hanabi, your post about the makeup. That's really funny. I just saw it on my phone because I was getting like notifications. Okay. Oh, yep. Ugh, crap. Like I said, I'm not the best at playing this type of games, even though I'm making one. Just make sure. Oop. Crap. I didn't react correctly. What's in here? Do I have something to do here? Doesn't appear so. And I can't go anywhere. So I'm guessing I'm missing something. I'm gonna go head out and search for it. Okay, avoided a... Yikes. That almost ended badly. Okay, preferably not interact with the flies. It's not gonna be easy. What is this? Okay, it's just assaulting. Okay, back to full health. Oh, I've heard of this. Do I need to go through this? Because I've heard this one is quite a complicated wall jump. And I don't have the wall jump mechanic. Yeah, that's fair. I'm doing stuff that still isn't available to me. So I'm gonna leave. Okay. If I go down here, what happens? Definitely not ominous humming. Well, hello there. Hello there. I just said that. Did I predict? Okay, that was a funny one. Come down to explore these beautiful old ruins. Don't mind me. I have a fondness for exploring myself. Getting lost and finding your way again is a pleasure like no other. We're exquisitely lucky, you and I. I'm a cartographer by trade, and I'm working on mapping this area right now. Would you like to buy a copy of my work so far? Yes. Okay, hold tab. View a detailed map of Hull Nest in the map panel of the inventory. Okay. A map can be a useful thing, but it alone won't show you where you are. If you're not the head for directions, I suggest purchasing a compass from my wife, Iselda. Okay. She's just now opening our new map shop in Dirtmouth, selling all sorts of useful things to wanderers like yourself. She'll even sell some of my old maps from time to time. I pop back to see her whenever I finish mapping an area.
As long as it ain't
She's
another
always
Java
so
class on my
excited to see
to-do
me.
list, I'm all for speedy, sleek vibes. Give it the same spike in action level I give a badass sword.
Okay.
No wasted loops or over-debugging.
Oh,
If it's
there
a
we go.
snack, best served with a side of strawberries, of course.
So I put on there. I then went left, fell down until where I am, which is marked by basically that mosquito head there. So now if I fall a bit further down, go to the right, and then I have to go up again in order to go to the boss room over there, I suppose. So if I go left in here, I should see something. And I saw something. Yeah, I can jump up there. Yeah, crap. I didn't react on time. Yeah. Ah, crap. I think I'm gonna die very soon. Yeah. You know what? Let me not go there. Don't spoil anything, but when the time is right, allow me to direct you to Charlie Jr. Sure. And I died. Well, did I lose the map? No, I didn't. And the shop is open. Okay, let me see.
Bapanada.
Come to buy a map, have you? It's really my husband you should be dealing with, but what a surprise, he's added down below. Charlie Jr. isn't the actual name, but it's just a code name. Fair enough. He'll pop back occasionally to deliver new maps for the store, but I do wish he'd spend a little more time up here. I have not much interest in retail myself. Now, let's see what's here for me to sell. Wayward Compass, a quill, bench pin, cocoon pin. Okay. A lot of things. Interesting. I need to investigate that system. See if in Code Tulip I can make some interesting things as well. Oh, not so fast. Okay. Okay, now it's safe to go up there. And if I continue here, I should be now in that big room there. That looks like it has a cocoon at the center. Yeah, it's here. But just to enter, what's here? Black egg. Hello there. How delightful to meet another traveler on these forgotten roads. You're a short one, but you've got a strong look. You have a strong look about you. I normally don't like it when they shorten the words like that, because it seems like it's a misspelling, but at the same time it's basically you have. Isewa, alo. Okay, Usewa. Let me Go down here. And Yusewa Ado. One good song. You know it, yeah. Ado is such a great singer, not gonna lie. Gifted, yeah. 6 messages from Hanabi. It's good, but makes me fall asleep, and to be honest, this specific cat have his fur. He has been scratching a lot of it. We put with fluffy beacon. It's happened before and decided to randomly hop onto my chest, I guess. No one knows about Ado, I swear, so underrated. Yeah. Honestly, Ado is amazing. And her covers, holy. God. She did a song for like a kid's anime and it turned so controversial for parents for some reason. But it's so funny to see that. Her idol group. Which one of them? They are good. They are so good, please. Yeah. Yeah, Phantom Shita. Yeah. They are so amazing. I have a song in my playlist, I think. It's so underrated, yeah. Who is your bias? I actually don't have a bias in that one. It's Rinka and Mocha. Interesting. I haven't heard much about Phantom Shita. I kinda have a song from them on the playlist. But besides that, I haven't basically went as far as to research the whole group. Did you hear their newest songs? Not yet. Translated version is literally her saying F you to the Japanese government and work culture. She's the boss! Bot Baka. And the other new one. Damn, crazy. I can listen to it after, don't worry. I'll listen to it. Hi. Bot Baka is so good, so addictive. Interesting. Do remember me to watch it. I also need to help you with OBS, don't I? Because you have a stream tomorrow, and I'm tech support. Hachikochi, Botobaka Tsurutsurai. Yes, sir. Yeah. I'll see if in the morning or afternoon before your stream I can give you help with that. That's part of the lyrics, yeah, I can see. Tsurai, that's unfair, if I'm not mistaken. It could help me today, but I don't know. I can, like, I've been streaming for 2 hours and 40. That's mostly my average. So yeah, I could essentially basically drop for today. So I can also rest a bit. Tomorrow we continue Hollow Knight, maybe. Because I'm not that into the story at the moment. So I can pause at any time. But there is a problem. The cat that's on your chest? Yeah. I kinda thought about that. It's up to you. Like, however you want to do it. Yeah, it's fine with me. I'm Quirrell. I have something of an obsession with uncharted places. Bro is sleeping and dreaming. Bro, do be twitching. Oh, so adorable. This ancient kingdom holds many fascinating mysteries, and one of the most intriguing of them is standing right before us. A great stone egg lying in the corpse of an ancient kingdom, and this egg is still warm. Is it warm? It certainly gives off a unique air. Can it be opened? There are strange marks all over it. I do so love a mystery, and who knows what other marvels lie even deeper below us. I do wonder. Ay, hi. Okay. Let's go back here. I'm almost certain I'm gonna encounter the boss very soon. Because... actually not that soon. Okay. Let's see. Stay back. Oh boy, that's a big one. Okay. Not an issue. Okay. I'm gonna guess here I have a save point. Oh boy! That's a mini boss.
Hey Leo, here's a juicy tidbit. Strawberries aren't true berries mechanically. They're aggregate fruits made of many tiny fruitlets. So next time you pull a hashtag code in strawberries batch, you're smashing the code of nature.
Crap. I don't have the timing correct. And I died. Thank you for headpads. Yeah, I think I'm gonna end stream here. Because I still have to help Hanabi, so yeah. I'm gonna end here. Tomorrow we continue, no worries. I still have a lot to do in Code Tulip, and hopefully tomorrow I can work on it. Don't worry, I'm gonna try to be back a bit earlier than today. But yeah, quick menu. I need to see if I can also fix the controller working on the game. Because I think I need to mess around with the settings a bit. Shouldn't be too complicated, but let's see. But yeah, hope everyone enjoyed today's stream. I know it was more or less short, but yeah. I'll hopefully be able to do a longer stream tomorrow when I'm well rested. And after trolling Hanabi a bit, maybe. Who knows? Wink wink. Yeah. So yeah. Gonna basically see who to raid, and we continue tomorrow. Let me see who be up at the moment. I know some of the Portuguese VTubers are on at the moment. Okay, someone is playing Windrose. Sharky, no. Let me sort this correctly. Let me see. Takeru Kurokomo. I don't know who this is. No. Oh, Xpop is on. Let me go raid Xpop. He's a fellow game dev. Yay, I'm on ban. Yeah. So yeah, I'll see you all tomorrow. I hope you all have a good day, a good night, whatever it is in your time zone. And yeah, let's continue this tomorrow. So yeah, class dismissed.